Hi guys, so we just finished day 3 of this first MERZ Aesthetic Middle East Cadaver workshop. Today was the live demo day on live patient. So basically we injected several patients during the whole day, both fillers, Belotero, Radies, and also toxin, Xeomin, all of course from the MERZ portfolio. I was with my 3 co-trainers, Dr. Nabil Faki, Dr. Nick Is, and Dr. Rami Eidar, and still with our 55 delegates. So this is the end of this amazing event. I want to thank MERZ Dubai team. It has been, I think, a big success thanks to them, and also thanks to my crew, all my co-trainer, also Dr. Sanjay Parashar and Dr. Nala Al-Mansouri, and of course big thanks to my team, high-class anatomy team, with Soher, Paul, and Love. And I wish all the 55 delegates a safe trip back, and I see you soon next year for the second edition. Bye bye guys.